But 2 years on, it now appears easier to publish unwelcome studies, and a number of new studies again show that masks just don't work. The first new study, published in the Lancet Medical Journal, set out to prove or disprove a heavily criticized CDC paper that claimed that masks worked in schools. While the CDC study cherry-picked data, the new study used the same data set, but without cherry-picking, meaning that there were 6 times more data to begin with. The new study also took account of differences across school districts. Unsurprisingly, it found that if you don't cherry-pick data and instead incorporate a larger sample and longer period of time, you find that there's no significant relationship between mask mandates and case rates. A second recent study looked at 2 adjacent school districts in North Dakota. One district had a mask mandate and the other one did not. Once again, there was no difference in outcomes between the 2 districts. Later, when the mask district gave up its mandate, both districts still had the same outcomes. Masks just didn't make any difference one way or the other. In their conclusion, the authors not only make it clear that masks are ineffective, but also that there is now a growing body of post-pandemic evidence that all points in the same direction. This being the same direction that all mask studies have always pointed in. Masks don't work against airborne viruses.